Alright guys, we just got a XTOUC pocket knife here. Got this off of Amazon. There's the numbers right there. Let's take a look, let's see what you get. Alright, comes in a nice case, a bit like Civivi knives do. Alright, let's take a look at it. Let's see what you get from XTOUC. Okay. Oh, we got a nice little tool in here. They're always nice to get. And this is that fur-lined type case. Very nice. And good cleaning cloth. A good one. It's always nice to have. Alright, so here's the XTOUC. And it's in a really nice green micarta with the blacked out blade and clip there, and we got a green micarta backspacer and a elongated lanyard hole there. And it's nice to see flush screws on the pocket clip there. Yeah, very nice to have some flush screws. Now that pocket clip looks very much like the Civivi pocket clip there. And the micarta is very similar too. I do like green micarta. The Civivi is not so green looking, it's a little darker, but I've carried that quite a bit. They all darken up after a while from the oil from your skin. Alright, so let's take a look at it. We've got thumb studs. We've got a little bit of jimping on the flipper tab here. It's a button lock obviously, and there's the button there. Blade centering, beautiful blade centering, very nice. Right, let's try the flipper tab. Yeah, very nice. And there we got a pretty deep blade there. Deep flat grind, so nice and slicey. I do like slicey blades. And this one, if you can see it there, it's in 14C28N, so really a nice steel. Got a good drop point there. It's got some swedging up the front. Yep, it is very sharp out the box. Let's see what the ergos are like. Now the scales there are pretty flat. They're flat, they're not exactly contoured. They are flat. But they got a nice bevel all the way around the outside. Now they're pretty comfortable. We've got a little bit of jimping on the back of the blade there, a little bit. It's pretty comfortable knife to hold in the hand. I've got extra large hands. Alright, so my pinky it's kind of on the corner there into the middle of the pinky. So the ergos are pretty good, but if you've got small hands, probably a little better. But I don't mind it, it's pretty good. I don't mind that, even in my XL. Hammer grip, pretty comfortable. Nice top there to lay your thumb on. And the clip's not getting in my way right-handed. Not really getting in my way left-handed either. Let's take a look at some measurements. Now it's a 3.15, so just under 1¼ inch blade, or just over 3 inches if you like. And overall, I think it's about 7½ inches. Yeah, about 7½ inches overall. Now I just touched the button there with a ruler. Look at that. The action on this button lock is really good. Very good action on it. Yeah. It locks up very nice. There's the locking pin there. Let's compare that to lock and pin on the Civivi, on the button lock on the Civivi. Yep. And against the Kaiser, Kaiser has like two there. I'm just checking that the locking bar's not too thin. There's a one on the M-Tech. It's the cheapest of them all, but it's a pretty good knife. I like the M-Tech. The Kaiser is awesome, and Civivi are pretty awesome too. Now these guys, I've never had one of their knives before, XTOUC. The action is really, I'm surprised with the action. It's really good action. I think this is pretty much a higher end knife, but it came in at such a good price. I was watching Rusty Miner and he had a video on this. That's how I found it, and it had 50% off, so I jumped straight on board, paid about 28 bucks for it, 50% off. Now I'm looking on Amazon right now and that price has changed. It's no longer 50% off, it's now 30% off. They're $39.94, so $39.94 for this right now. Yeah, I'd say it's worth it. We've got a good steel. It's nicely engineered. We got some big lightning holes in there, which reduces the weight quite a bit. What is the weight? I have no idea. Let's grab the scales, take a look. Alright, so we're at 3.5 ounces. Yeah, 3.5 ounces. Feels light. It feels very light. Yeah, great weight to carry as an EDC. 3.5 ounces ain't nothing. Right, let's have another look at the flipper tab there. Yeah, really nice shaped blade. Make a great EDC. I would carry this thing all the time, really. If I had to carry this and no other knife, I wouldn't be too disappointed. Yeah, very nice action. Yeah, so thanks to Rusty Miner for finding that. Check out his channel. He has a very good knife channel, and he does all kinds of knives, so go check him out because he's good at sniffing out bargains. So yeah, very happy with that. Let's compare it to some of the button knives that I have here. Alright, let's compare it to the Civivi Vision. There you go. And here's a Kubi Drake. Kaiser Assassin XL. Civivi button. Alright, so there you go guys. Action on this is really good. Nice little EDC knife. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Go check out Rusty Miner. He has a very good channel. Go check him out. Thanks for watching. Catch you later guys.